Today I'm up a step ladder, and this is a solar panel, quite a dirty solar panel, and that right there is an infrared light. Now let's see where this panel is. It's on the top of a very tall pole, and we're going to go down the step ladder very slowly because I don't want to fall, even though it might give you some of the jollies. Okay, so we're going down the step ladder. Oop, there's the ground. And now we get to my big concrete construction, which I'm sure some of you have seen before. Today the door is open, and inside you see some of my lovely little goodies. Now the charge controller isn't anything much. That's a $10 charge controller. The watt meter is actually a bloody useful invention, and I've been using that. So the battery is not up to much, but that's not the eventual battery. The real battery, when I've put a door on the bottom of this construction, will go there, and it will be a big battery. You can see I've got the battery clips in there already. Anyway, this solar charger is going to charge a battery which is going to power a Raspberry Pi Pico, which is going to flash Morse code into the sky using that infrared lamp. And that's all I've got for you right now.